Hello everyone, I hope you are well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are creating a 3D heart in Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Dimension. First we make a heart shape with use on Shape tool. Then go to 3D and choose New 3D Extrusion from selected layer. After doing all settings, we again go to 3D and choose Export 3D Layer and select Wavefront OBJ in 3D file format. Now we go to Adobe Dimension. Import the heart object that was created in Adobe Photoshop. Now choose the best material that suits the 3D heart. Now we render the 3D heart. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials.